After months of rumors, hints, and even a giant Windows ISO leak, Microsoft has finally launched its new operating system, the Windows 11. The big focus for Windows 11 is simplification of the Windows user interface, a new Windows Store, and improvements to the performance and multitasking. Windows 11 will also support for running Android apps for the first time. Watch the video to know more. Microsoft simplified the design and user experience to empower users' productivity and creativity. It's modern, fresh, clean, and beautiful. With the new Windows 11, Microsoft introduces Snap Layouts and Snap Groups to provide an even more efficient way to multitask and stay on top of what you need to get done. Snap Groups looks like an useful way to support multiple monitors and ensure that apps always open on the correct screen. That's very helpful if you are using a laptop hooked up to a monitor or a traditional desktop machine with multiple displays. Performance is also a big focus for Windows 11. Windows updates are 40% smaller and more efficient as they now happen in the background. Now you will not have any interruption while you are in middle of work. Microsoft is also integrating Microsoft Teams directly into Windows 11 for consumers. Teams is directly integrated to the taskbar, allowing Windows 11 user to call friends, family or co-workers. It is a big shift away from Skype, which Microsoft acquired for a whopping $8.5 billion. It's clear that Microsoft is focusing more on its product reach and enhancement. Now you can instantly connect through text chat, voice or video with all of your personal contacts. It doesn't matter whether they are using iOS device or an Android. Windows widgets and touch gestures are also a big part of Windows 11. Widgets is a personalized feed powered by AI. Built-in widgets include news feed, weather, and maps. Microsoft is also improving the gestures you can use on your tablets and the trackpads. Instead of flipping into a tablet mode and switching back to Windows mode, Windows 11 simply adapts to allow you to touch the OS easily, coupled with inking and voice typing. Windows 11 brings a huge bump to the gaming performance. It unlocks the full potential of your system's hardware, enabling some of the latest gaming technology. Here are a few examples. DirectX 12 Ultimate enables breathtaking immersive graphics at high frame rates, and direct storage for faster load times and more detailed game worlds, and Auto HDR for truly captivating visual experience. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be ecstatic. Finally, one of the biggest part of Windows 11 is the News Store and the support for Android apps on Windows.
Banco, 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 domino, domino, banco, banco.
The Microsoft Store is redesigned and will support a whole host of apps that haven't typically been available in the Windows App Store. Developers can use their own commerce engines and Microsoft won't take a cut. Developers can use their own payment methods if they wanted to. Microsoft has partnered with Amazon and Intel to bring this into reality, and Windows will be using Intel's Bridge technology to bring this to life. Microsoft demonstrated Instagram and other Android apps running alongside Windows apps in Windows 11. and the company plans to share more information on this in the coming months. There is no release date for Windows 11 yet, but Microsoft has promised to make it available as a free upgrade to Windows 11 users this holiday. Windows 11 to appear at same point in October alongside new hardware running the operating system. And that's it guys, hope you liked the video. Are you excited for the new Windows 11? Comment down below. Check out other videos in the channel. Thanks a million for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.